Among these 73 terrorists, 7 are suiciders. We recovered 11 jackets and 16 hand grenades, 1 tape recorder bomb, 2 cars, 1 motorcycle, 20 pistols, 24 hand grenades. So these were the and the explosive material about 20 kg, which was to be used for these terrorist activities.
This is how officials of law enforcement agencies present their performance reports. Yet the official record reveals a shocking reality. The law enforcement agencies lack the basic skill to investigate the incidents of terrorism. In a study of terrorist attacks in Islamabad, the Crimes Investigation Department claims that police have only managed to solve 15 out of 46 most devastating strikes in the last 25 years. The remaining incidents have been shelved by the relevant authorities. Such cases are normally described as Adam Pata or untraceable by law enforcement agencies.
Adam Pata cases means that they're untraceable. They have not been able to trace the case to its origin. Or, for example, if you talk of a suicide attack, somebody comes and he blows himself up. You have never seen him. His body cannot be reconstructed. His face cannot be reconstructed. And in such a situation, you are not able to trace the origin. If you cannot trace that that becomes an Adam Pata. That means we have failed to trace that case.
Page after page of this document reveals that at least 19 cases of terrorism from 1984 till April 2009 remained untraceable. Many analysts and lawyers say the police lacks the requisite investigation skills to pursue the cases related to terrorism.
The conviction in terrorism-related cases is low because the court never accept the evidence of the state, and in most of the cases the police do not have enough evidence to get their accused convicted from the court of law.
The government has taken measures to separate the prosecution and investigation wings of the police with an aim to improve its performance. Many of terrorism cases in last 25 years in the capital have been forgotten, and most of them are only mentioned in the official documents. The law enforcement agencies not only have to take measures to get enough evidence for prosecution, they also have to build their capacity to prevent terrorism incidents from taking place. Azaz Syed, DawnNews, Islamabad.